Massive update from the Memefi community, and if you are on this very airdrop, the Memefi token is going live tomorrow, which is the 22nd of this month of November 2024, and everything is now in check. But before that listing, this update is very important. The update about change in allocation and also claim. So if you've not claimed your airdrop yet, there is nothing to worry about. I'll be talking about all of this in detail in this very video and how to go about it. This is very important for all of us that mined and got this very token. So pay attention and watch this video all the way to the very end. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. If you come to the Memefi community, there is a big change, okay, and this very information came in, that was 2 days ago. Changes in allocations. Going through our community questions, we have identified a few issues in the data for the airdrop that did not account for potential abuse, and for them to consider this necessary, it means they're really paying attention to the question and complaint of airdroppers. I mean, people that participated in the airdrop. We are now in the process of updating the allocations. There will be a few more changes until the end of the day. If your allocation decreased, it is most likely because the updates is not done yet. The allocation will be as much as the previous one or higher. So this is very important for all of us that receive a little or small allocation compared to our coin balance. I mean, our mined coin balance. That means based on the conversion rate, you're supposed to have a certain amount of allocation, but you were given below that. What that means is be rest assured that the system will be updated and you will receive the appropriate allocation. And it's even stated here that you can even receive something higher, which is very important. So once the full release is out in a couple of hours, then this is what you need to pay attention to. The correct allocation amount will show up in the app. Then secondly, if you claimed to OKX, the claim amount will be updated as well. And if you staked, the staked amount will change. And this is what you must have to pay attention to. So no need to worry. And for those of us that were asking that very question, you now receive your answer and be rest assured that everything will be updated, maybe prior to the listing tomorrow or maybe 1 hour to listing. This update will be done and you are going to receive your allocation, which is very important. And the next thing I want to talk about here is claiming of your airdrop. There are a lot of questions about not being able to claim to OKX Web3 and also OKX exchange, especially for those of us that live in region where OKX is now available. For example, in Nigeria, it is very important that VPN have been giving a lot of persons issues, and these have called for concern. However, personally, I have not used VPN on this very airdrop, and the reason is very, very simple. When you use VPN, sometimes it can complicate issues, and for me to avoid this kind of issue, I just leave the stuff like that. But here is a very important update from the Memefi team. So here they give a reason why they have to use the SEAL network, which is not that very common at the moment compared to Ethereum, Solana, BEP20 protocol. As the first Telegram-based project to list outside the Ton ecosystem, integrating the SEAL network was only possible through OKX Wallet innovative solution for Telegram app, okay, OKX Connect. This presented a unique opportunity for us to collaborate closely with both the OKX Web3 and the SEAL Foundation development team to create a tailored airdrop and claiming experience. So as part of this strategy and collaboration, off-chain claims were available via OKX exclusively. So these have called for a lot of questions that if you cannot claim to the OKX Web3 on SEAL network, then it will be a challenge. So here is the answer to all of us that have not claimed yet. The first one is, however, on-chain claims will go live 1 hour before the token generation event on the Seal network, a robust, scalable, and fast layer 1 blockchain designed to handle high loads and traffic spikes. This is the most important thing I want you to pay attention to right here. This very one. Okay, so if you've not claimed yet, just like some of us have not claimed, this answer your question. On-chain claims will have gas fee covered by Memefi, allowing users to transfer their tokens to any exchange of their choice. So if you've not claimed yet, that some of us have not, this answer our question, because before listing, that is 1 hour before listing, this will be available and you can claim directly to the exchange of your choice. So if you've not claimed your token yet, don't bother. On-chain is available to everyone. If your mobile store region does not support the OKX mobile app, you can use the OKX Web3 right now in the Telegram mini app, which is accessible to all regions across the world. Most of us don't like this Web3 OKX mini app. Why we prefer to choose and claim our airdrop to a desirable exchange in our region, okay, for fast claim and also maybe possible sell-off to collect profit. So this is a very important update right now, guys. Number one, if you receive an airdrop that is below what you were supposed to get, don't worry, that update is already in progress. It will reflect and your proper allocation will be given to you. And secondly, if you have not claimed your airdrop, don't worry as well. There are other available options that is going to come on board as we wait for that very listing to happen. And then if you come to the Memefi mini app right here, it is covered that if you click on this very airdrop icon, okay, so if I click on this very airdrop icon right here, it will take me to the airdrop page, and right here if you go down, you will see Memefi listing. So this Memefi listing right at this very point, if you click on it, you discover that there are a lot of exchanges: OKX, Bybit, KuCoin, BitGet, and the rest of them will be available. That means you can claim directly to any of these exchanges, and there is no how all of these exchanges listed here will not be in your region, which is very important. So be rest assured that you're going to claim your airdrop and claim it to the desired exchange of your choice. Pre-market price of this very token is tanked right now. Look at it. Market is dropping down by 14.28%. Normally, a good project that is going to do well in the market is going to increase prior to the listing date, okay? And the listing date of this very Memefi is tomorrow, which is let's say about 24 hours from now. It will go live, but it's dropping 14.28% right now, as you can see right here. This point to the fact that we should not over expect from this team. I will talk about this, and over expecting is just putting yourself into a very tight corner. Don't over expect from this very project. In fact, not only the Memefi project, but any play to end game and any project at all in the crypto space. Don't over expect. Keep your expectation low and do crypto 101, which is risk only what you can afford to lose, which is very, very important. The Memefi token is going to go live, and we have a total supply of 10 billion token, and it will not change because this is already on chain and it has been capped. And another thing I want you to pay attention to is the market price. The market price right now is 0.012. So if Memefi is to list today or right now, and with a 10 billion token, let's say they are releasing the entire token into circulation, 10 billion multiplied by 0.012, okay, this will give us a $120 million market capitalization. This is a possibility, but I am not looking at this, okay? However, if they don't do that, then that means we will not see this. Market is going to go below the pre-market price, which I was expecting 0.204, which is a $40 million market capitalization, as you can see right here, or a 0.205. This is where I am expecting the price of Memefi to start from, and the market can increase to 0.01, okay, which is $100 million market capitalization. Now, in the heat of the bull market, this token can still do very well, okay? And in the heat of the bull market, the market can go up a little bit to 0.102, which is a $200 million market capitalization and above in the heat of the bull market. That also means that market is not going to be listed at $200 million market cap. Rather, below this, a market is going to go upward as we enter the heat of this very bull market. So this is very important. So keep your expectation very, very low, and we'll be going live on YouTube as we await that very listing tomorrow to see what the market price is going to be and how the market is going to react to the market. So join us tomorrow at the time of listing on YouTube live from our social handle, that is especially our Telegram channel. The link will be there. So if you've not joined our Telegram channel, the link in the description of this very video and also in the pinned comment, join that very section. It will be an interactive moment to see what the Memefi token will be listed at listing. And look at 0.004 as the beginning, okay? That's the starting price for listing, and 0.01, okay? That is the highest. I am expecting market can go above this, but between 0.204 and 0.101. This is my expectation for the price of Memefi right now at listing. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content.